चली गुरुमित्र योजना चली छह साल के बच्चों की डोली निकली चली गुरुमित्र योजना चली.
Rajasthan, literally meaning the abode of kings, is a state situated in the northwestern part of India. Of its nearly 45 million population, only 38.5% is literate, compared to the national average of 52.2%. What impedes the growth and spread of literacy and education in the state? A very high rate of population growth, the vast Thar desert covering almost 1/3 of the state, a scattered population, and the inaccessible terrain are some of the factors. Several initiatives have been taken up in the state to make education accessible to all. Total literacy campaigns, non-formal education programs, Angan Pathshalas, and innovative programs like Lok Jumbish, Shiksha Karmi, and Prehar Pathshalas are some of these.
बने हमारा देश महान, यही हमारा है अरमान.
These interventions have helped increase awareness in the community about the need for education. But the goal of universalization of primary education remains a distant reality. Of the nearly 8.4 million children in the age group of 6 to 11 years, nearly 2.2 million are out of school. Even from among the 6 million that get enrolled, 60% drop out after class 1 or 2. Among girls, the dropout rate is even higher. Something needs to be done. What is it, and how can it be done?
अब चलो चले स्कूल भैया, चलो चले
The Guru Mitra Yojana, or the Friendly Teacher Scheme, was formulated as a step towards finding a solution to these questions. It was launched in Tonk district on the 5th of September, Teachers' Day, in 1994. The total population of Tonk district is about 1 million, spread out in 6 blocks. The overall literacy rate is 34%, with the women's literacy at a dismal 15%. Of the nearly 150,000 children in the 6 to 11 age group, only 40,000 children attend the 1,000-odd primary schools in the district. Around 3,000 teachers are working in these schools. Another 35,000 attend non-formal centers. 75,000, or half of the eligible children, are not associated with any form of education. The objective of the program is 100% enrollment and retention of children in the 6 to 11 age group, reduction in the dropout rate, qualitative improvement in education, and attainment of at least minimum level of learning. This is a typical classroom. Children learn by rote and teachers go through the regular syllabus routinely, uninvolved and disinterested. And this is a classroom for the first standard prepared under the Guru Mitra Yojana. In this classroom, all the walls are painted black up to 3 feet height. This black border serves the purpose of a blackboard for children. The children are allotted equal and fixed writing space. Above the writing space, alphabets, numbers, months and days of the week are painted in a 6-inch wide strip. Pictures of birds, animals, flowers, fruits, parts of the body, means of transport and illustrations from fables and rhymes cover the rest of the wall. Cutouts, masks, toys and charts form an integral part of teaching. In short, the primer prescribed for Class 1 by the Rajasthan State Textbook Board is illustrated on the 4 walls of the classroom.
खरगोश और कछुआ दोनों दोस्त थे तो खरगोश अपनी चाल पे घमंड करता था। खरगोश एक दिन उनकी दौड़ हुई तो कछुआ धीरे धीरे चलता रहा और खरगोश बहुत आगे निकल गया था। तो खरगोश ने समझा कि अब हम आराम कर लेते हैं, वो तो बहुत दूर है। तो कछुआ धीरे धीरे आता आता पेड़ के पास पहुंच गया तो खरगोश की आँख खुली तो उसने समझा कि ये तो पहुंच गया। इससे हमको ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि अपनी बात पर कभी घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए।
These picturizations on the walls of the Bal Mitra classrooms or the child-friendly classrooms have been done by the teachers themselves. Zakir Hussain, the teacher from Polyada Primary School of Deoli Panchayat Samiti, is one such teacher. He has readied 18 such Bal Mitra classrooms. Besides painting the drab walls of the classroom with interesting stories, the teachers have also prepared other teaching aids from locally available low-cost materials. For this, special training was imparted to the teachers. It is a proven fact that children stay in school only if they find the teaching attractive and enjoyable. Parents too are motivated to send their children to school only if they are convinced that children are getting good education in the schools. The community will accept the school and the teacher only if they perceive that it is for their benefit. The teachers also, on their part, can contribute their best only if they are partners in the whole exercise. The Teacher Empowerment Program, which started in Madhya Pradesh in 1992, emphasizes these aspects, and the Guru Mitra Yojana also focuses on them.
हाथी चिंगाड़े शेर दहाड़े शेर दहाड़े.
Imparting education through songs and games with fun and laughter is no child's play. The teacher himself has to become a child.
रेल चली भाई रेल चली छुप छुप करती रेल चली छुप छुप करती.
Every day the classes begin with an introduction song. The children join the education train after introducing themselves.
क्या नाम है आपका?
भुवनेश्वरी।
क्या नाम है बच्चे का? भुवनेश्वरी। बहुत होशियार है। चलो रेल में चलो। रेल चली भाई रेल चली छुप छुप करती रेल चली. आओ मुन्नी जल्दी आओ. आओ मुन्नी जल्दी आओ. आकर अपना नाम बताओ. आकर अपना नाम बताओ. क्या नाम है आपका? क्या नाम है? क्या नाम बच्चे का? इति सनी. रेल में बैठोगे? शाबाश. चलो रेल में बैठ जाओ. पकड़ो पकड़ो. अरे रेल चली भाई छुप छुप करती रेल
Lessons are woven into songs to make them interesting. Even arithmetic and Hindi are taught through songs.
बोलो कितने हुए बोलो कितने हुए बोलो कितने हुए कितने 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 आवाज दे जाओ।
एक कौवा बहुत प्यासा पानी को वो ढूंढ रहा था।
एक कौवा बहुत प्यासा पानी को वो ढूंढ रहा था। उसने देखा एक मटका उड़कर झटपट उस तक पहुंचा।
उसने पानी पीना चाहा,
उसने पानी पीना चाहा,
लेकिन पानी नीचे था,
लेकिन पानी नीचे था।
कंकड़ देख दिमाग लगाया, पकड़ चोंच मटके में लाया।
कंकड़ देख दिमाग लगाया, पकड़ चोंच मटके में लाया।
झटपट पानी ऊपर आया, प्यास बुझा उसने सुख पाया। इस कहानी से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए और अपने दिमाग से काम लेना चाहिए।
Songs are composed keeping in mind the requirements for the minimum level of learning.
होगा स्वप्न हमारा पूरा, बच्चे सब पढ़ जाएं।
अधिकांश बालक बालिकाएं कक्षा
A high percentage of enrolled children discontinue their education after class 5th. So, to impart basic knowledge of language, arithmetic and environment to children of the age group 1 to 5, so that they don't find any major difficulty in handling their day-to-day problems is called minimum level of learning.
न्यूनतम अधिगम स्तर कहते हैं।
हिंदी में न्यूनतम अधिगम स्तर का निर्धारण भाषाई कौशलों
In Hindi, minimum level of learning is based on language skill, and these skills are to hear, to say, to read, and to write. We should hear carefully. We should say after careful understanding. Likewise, we should read and write only after making the things clear.
और लिखना कैसे? सुनकर, समझकर, पढ़कर और फिर लिखना।
The teachers of Tonk district have already prepared the guidelines for minimum levels of learning in the first year itself.
मीर बस 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 आप पीछे रह गए। मीर मीर संजीता चलो 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 शाबाश चलो 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 निकल गए। चलो आइए
Every month, the teachers meet to share their experiences and plan out the activities for the following month. For convenience, the venue for these cluster-level meetings have been fixed at the PACE centers.
I am more interested in Guru Mitra Yojana.
और बच्चे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
Children even from private schools have started taking admission in government schools.
स्कूल में आने का वो करते हैं प्रयास।
और बच्चों के माता पिताओं से मिलकर के
They request parents to send their ward to school.
दाखिल होने के लिए कहा गया।
Before this, children used to run away from the school.
The Guru Mitra Yojana is a combined effort of the district administration of Tonk district and the United Nations Children's Fund. UNICEF supports the project in teachers training, methodology for play-based teaching, preparation of low-cost teaching material and monitoring. The district administration provides the schools, buildings and other infrastructure.
School buildings are constructed under Jawahar Rozgar Yojana scheme. Posts of primary teachers lying vacant are filled. Training is imparted to them. We meet parents and persuade them to send their children to school. Teachers are taught how to teach through games and songs.
तो बच्चों की अभिरुचि पैदा होगी और पेरेंट्स की भी अभिरुचि पैदा होगी.
To make Guru Mitra Yojana a success, different activities were undertaken in phase-wise manner. First of all, district-level meeting and workshop was organized. Here, collector and concerned officials sat down to discuss. In the next step, Teacher Empowerment Project of Madhya Pradesh was shared with the teachers. This was then shared with teachers of Class 1. District-level work plan was prepared. Master trainers selected and enrollment survey of children of Tonk district was initiated. In the next step, resource persons were imparted training. This training was then given to teachers. Class 1 of Guru Mitra Yojana was decorated and a visit to Dhar, Madhya Pradesh was organized. The team came back to Tonk and joy of learning was introduced in the classes of Guru Mitra Yojana. Then, guidebook based on minimum level of learning was introduced. In due course, MLL-based joy of learning was imparted to resource persons. Same was given to teachers also. In the meantime, village, block and district level meetings were called at regular intervals. No program can be successful without community ownership. Community participation and village level education committees have been highly emphasized in Guru Mitra Yojana. The Village Education Committee is responsible for monitoring and evaluation of the program.
पुराने जमाने के अंदर डंडों से पिटाई होती थी, शिक्षा दी जाती थी.
In our time, caning was the only method used by the teachers. But in this Guru Mitra Yojana, there is no cane, no scolding, no shouting. Children of 6-year age are taught in a much relaxed way through cultural values, and their chances of continuing further has thus increased.
In addition, the formation of Women's Education Committee also is a revolutionary step.
If our children go to school, they will be benefited and indirectly parents will also be benefited. This scheme is good. Teachers are good. They teach songs and children come home singing.
The people of Tonk district have played a crucial role in making the Friendly Teacher program a success. In Mundia village of Niwai block, the villagers collected 1,782 rupees to paint the school building. The efforts of Srimati Tulsi Devi Meena, the Sarpanch of the village, is commendable. The villagers of Mehan Dabas also donated money to their village school. In Duni village, the village Panchayat takes care of the water and electricity expenses. In More village of Toda Rai Singh block, the school was painted with the cooperation of villagers. The villagers of Saroli bought a carpet for the school. The people of Tilanju collected 250,000 rupees and constructed the entire school building. In July, an enrollment drive was carried out. All 6-year-olds who were not on the rolls of any educational institution were registered and targeted for enrollment. Proper records are maintained at the village and ward levels.
चारों उड़ते पंख बाजार, पंख बाजार, पंख बाजार.
Encouraged by the initial success of the Guru Mitra Yojana in Tonk, it has now been started in one block of Jodhpur district and one block of Jhunjhunu district. The state government has also initiated action extending it to 4 other districts in the first phase: Banswara, Rajasamand, Bundi and Jhalawar. To achieve the goal of universal primary education by the year 2000, improvement in quality of education is a must. Children starting class 1 in 1995 will have passed class 5 by the year 2000. Only through intensive enrollment and retention drives can we expect at least 70% children to finish class 5 in 2000. The teacher, generally seen as a somber-faced, stick-wielding, harsh-voiced adult, has now been replaced in the Guru Mitra Yojana schools by a friendly figure who is willing to become a child with the children. While these children are experiencing the joys of learning, the teachers are enjoying the pleasures of teaching.
और शिक्षक गाए बालक नाचे चर्चा फैली गली गली शिक्षक गाए बालक नाचे चर्चा फैली गली गली चली 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 गुरु मित्र योजना चली 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 गुरु मित्र योजना चली चली